All right. So before any question comes up, I promised I was going to talk to you more about the social media um, stuff. Okay. So one of the things you can also do when you are looking for a job that can brighten your chances of getting at least called for interview is to be on LinkedIn and really position yourself very well on LinkedIn. So your LinkedIn profile should be professional with whatever skills you have, not just your name and maybe your current role or that you are open for jobs, but indicate, there's a portion that they talk about describe yourself. So use that opportunity to to talk about the skills that you have, the abilities, what you have done in the past and all that. Make sure you build a good and credible and professional profile on LinkedIn. If you're not on LinkedIn and you are seeking for a job, then please, you are just doing a great disservice to yourself. So create a LinkedIn account immediately and position yourself well for that. And what you can do is also, like I've said, if you have any company that you are targeting to work with, just go to LinkedIn and find out about the company and about those who work there and get to know them. Send them a, a request. Okay, you can attach a message. It always works, because if you send a general request, they may see it but they may not respond. But if you have researched about them and you know at least what they do, you can, and you have followed them on their page, there may be certain things that they put out there that may have caught your interest or your attention, and so you send them a message indicating how the particular post has been beneficial to you and how you wish they could help you, or how you wish you could learn a lot more from them. And so you send them a request, they will respond, and then you begin, following them and also showing interest in them and what they do, and of course letting them know that you are open for vacancies. Sometimes not every job that I advertise publicly. Sometimes I just go to LinkedIn and search for people who have the skills that I'm looking for and send them private messages, and I get them and hire them. So it means you have to really position yourself well on LinkedIn. And there are others too who have the LinkedIn profile all right, and they are doing well, keeping up and showing all the skills and the potentials that they have, but they hardly visit LinkedIn. There have been instances where I have picked people and I've sent them private messages, and they respond to me over a month when the position has already been filled. So once you have the profile, be visiting there frequently and be checking what is happening, because somebody may have sent you a message that you need to look at and respond immediately. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified of my next video.